Please wear headphones for maximum whoosh noises. Thank you.
Jeez, my Uber. How's it going, dog? Haven't seen you in a hot minute.
Bless, bro. How are you?
Good, you? So last time we saw this car, we got a cooler intake. What have you done since?
Yeah, we got now we got our catless downpipe. Upgraded fuel pump. What else? Just like new tune and shit.
Sheesh.
Yeah, it goes.
Oh, bro, that sounds good. God damn. Oh my fucking gosh, that turbo noise. This is where Ron rode off his cart.
Tell them to see this.
Oh, this car is so fast, bro.
Louder.
It used to be louder?
No, it needs to be.
Do you need an exhaust, dog?
Yeah, bro. It's just money, bro.
Just money. Money comes back eventually.
That's true. Exhaust doesn't.
Exactly. Exhaust is happiness.
Yeah, it would actually go hard, bro.
Facts.
I can tell it's like angry as hell.
Yeah. Dude, the car sounds nice.
Oh, no joke, the CRZ sounds better, dude.
Nah, CRZ doesn't have turbo noises.
Yeah, that's true. That's the only difference, though.
Oh. Gosh, damn, bro.
Not the venue.
Bro,
cool taillights.
I think it's a sort of trash car.
Cool taillights, though. Look at all those triangles. Soon, right?
Hell yeah, dog. Whoa, you can't say that. The vlog doesn't know about that.
Oh, my bad.
Bleep that out.
Bleep that out.
Bleep that out.
Hey, no more of that. I'm gonna drive calm now.
No, you're not.
Front wheel drive fun.
Oh, he's going!
Oh shit.
This is a race. Blow by him. Oh, he's back there somewhere. But damn, bro.
Yo, he launched still. Yeah. That was kind of fast. Here on camera.
I hope they do. But
yeah, it's just like a really light noise.
Nah, when it like surges and like whistles.
True, yeah. Sometimes it's fat.
Yeah.
Pretty juicy.
Not whistles, flutters. That's the word.
Thing is, it's not supposed to, right? It's
Yeah.
supposed to just do its thing.
We're like a residential neighborhood. People are looking at us.
Sorry, guys. I need an exhaust bad. Go crazy.
Dude, even more of a menace. Oh my god.
Spin at 80, yo.
Dude, that's crazy. Oh man, dude, this car is lit as fuck.
It's alright, it's alright.
Oh my gosh. Back home. Turbo noises.
Sounds so good.